Hello guys, welcome to Enrich Your English. In our previous video, we saw what a sentence is and about the subject and the predicate. In this video, we're going to learn about the types of the sentence. And before that, to keep me encouraged and to upload more videos, the one I want you to do is to subscribe my videos. Come on, let's start learning. The types of sentence. There are 4 types of sentence. It is the declarative sentence, imperative sentence, interrogative sentence, and exclamatory sentence. Now we'll learn in detail about all these 4. What is a declarative sentence? A declarative sentence states a fact and ends with full stop. So a declarative sentence is that it is a sentence which tells an opinion or a fact or conveys some information. It ends with a period or full stop. So we'll see the examples for the declarative sentence. Number 1, east or west, our house is the best. Number 2, I like a teddy bear. Both the sentence just gives a statement. It just provides us an information. So that is what is called as the declarative sentence. The next is the imperative sentence. An imperative sentence, it gives a command or a request. So this type of sentence is used when you order a person to do something or you ask a favor or for a request. So this kind of a sentence ends with a period, that is with a full stop or with a question mark. Now let's see the example for the imperative sentence. See, the first sentence is, shall we go out? So you ask for a favor that you wanted to go out. So it is a kind of a sentence which comes under the category of favor. Number 2, please come here. You request somebody to come here. So it is a requisition sentence. Number 3, don't go out. You command somebody not to go out. So it is a command sentence. Number 4, can you help me? Again, it is a kind of a requisition. It is a request sentence. The next one is the interrogative sentences. An interrogative sentences, it asks a question. This type of a sentence is usually asked directly to somebody. Okay? This kind of sentence ends with a question mark. So interrogative sentence is a sentence which is used to ask a question to somebody. Now see the examples for the interrogative sentence. Number 1, who knows the answer? Number 2, where are you going? Number 3, when will you come? So all these 3 ends with a question mark and it asks a question to somebody. So this is called as an interrogative sentence. The last one is the exclamatory sentences. So exclamatory sentences are that which has a very strong emotions or surprises. Exclamatory sentences expresses the intense feelings of a person. This type of sentence ends with an exclamation point. Now the examples for the exclamatory sentences. Wow, it's beautiful. What a nice car. You have done a great job. All these sentences ends with exclamatory mark and has a kind of excitement that expresses the emotions. Thank you guys for watching, and let's learn about the phrases and the classes in our next video. See you soon.